After some days, Elizabeth informed William that she wanted the family to move to a safer place. तो अब जब वो आइलैंड पे थे तब जो मदर थी शी टोल्ड विलियम दैट वी शुड मूव टू अ मोर सेफर प्लेस. देयर करंट कैम्प वॉज नॉट ओनली एक्सपोज्ड बट ऑल्सो वेरी ड्राई एंड हॉट. तो जो करंट कैंप यानी कि जो अभी उन लोग देवर नियर द सी दैट वॉज ओपन, सो देवर इन द विसिनिटी ऑफ animals or anything could be dangerous. So she wanted them to move to more safer place. Then if they built a house up in one of the large trees, they would be safe from jackals. तो एक डेंजर था वहाँ पे जो एनिमल्स थे, जैकल्स थे. So they thought of building a house on a large tree so that they will be safe from the ground animals. She described a perfect tree for the project. Now this project was making the house on the tree. So she described, यानी कि she took note of a perfect tree that could help us with the house. One whose trunk was nearly 40 feet in diameter. Now you know what is a diameter. तो एक ऐसा ट्री मदर ने दिखाया जिसका ट्रंक जो था नियरली 40 फीट डायमीटर का था, यानी कि दे कुड पुट देयर आर्म्स अराउंड इट, लाइक दैट. इफ वी कैन 40 feet in diameter, that means it was a very large tree. The branches were very long and extended straight out from the trunk. The branches were very long. तो बहुत ही बड़ा ट्री था, ब्रांचेस भी बहुत लंबे लंबे थे, मेकिंग दैम परफेक्ट प्लेटफॉर्म्स फॉर द स्ट्रक्चर. तो अगर ब्रांचेस लंबे लंबे हैं तो क्या होता है, जो बेस होता है घर का, इफ़ दे आर मेकिंग अ ट्री अबव, द ब्रांचेस विल एक्ट एज अ परफेक्ट प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर लेइंग अ स्ट्रक्चर. Later, when determining the height of the lowest branch, the father taught the boys geometry and how to use triangles to measure big objects. Now here they had carried their geometrical carpentry tools also, which now they were utilizing it for making this house. So the father taught them geometry and how to use the triangle shaped figures which they had to measure the objects. He measured a defined distance from the trunk, then he calculated angles using several measured rods. तो rods यानी कि big sticks होंगे जो अलग अलग measures के थे, जो उन्होंने यूज़ किए to calculate the distance. Then determining that the lowest branch was 30 feet of the ground. तो जो lowest branch था 30 feet, that was also a very high above. So like this they determined the height, the base, and they started building the house. The men knotted a rope at certain intervals and attached pieces of bamboo in each knot. तभी जो men थे यानी कि all the boys, they knotted the rope. रोप को नॉट करके बीच में एक एक बैम्बू स्टिक उन्होंने लगाया. तो व्हाट हैपेंड, दिस एक्टेड एज अ लैडर, सीढ़ी की तरह काम करता था ये. फादर रिटर्न टू द बीच एंड कलेक्टेड ड्रिफ्ट वुड, थिंकिंग इट वुड बी परफेक्ट टू बिल्ड अ स्लेज. Here father returned to the beach to collect driftwood. Driftwood is pieces of wood which float on the water. तो ऐसे वुड को फादर ने कलेक्ट किया टू बिल्ड अ स्लेज. स्लेज दे आर ऑन रनर्स रादर देन ऑन व्हील्स. तो ऑन रनर्स यानी कि how you see a sledge which runs on the snow, though they don't have wheels, right? They have runners. So here runners means stripes on which something slides. Stripes यानी कि it's like a blade on which something runs. So later they used it to transport material. तो आगे जाके उन्होंने ये स्लेज को मटेरियल्स ट्रांसपोर्ट, चीज़ें सामान यहाँ से वहाँ लेने लाने के लिए यूज़ किया. Meanwhile, Elizabeth announced that the garden she had been tending was producing healthy plants. Now the mother, she was also growing vegetables in a garden she had made, and she told them that the garden was now producing healthy plants. So they had good healthy plants also to eat. Corn, melons, pumpkins, and cucumbers were already growing. So these all things were already growing. The next day, only the father and Fritz traveled to the woods. तो अगले दिन जो फादर थे और जो फ्रिट्स थे दे ट्रैवल टू द वुड्स एक्सप्लोरिंग एंड फाइंडिंग सच exotic plants. Exotic, that means foreign, very exotic here means which comes for a foreign country. That means from this place, of course this is a foreign place, a different place which they are staying in. So there were fruits which were waxy. Now these waxy fruits could be used to make candles. Then Fritz discovered a tree exuding. Exuding means emitting or giving out a rubbery sap. Rubbery जैसा substance कुछ एक one tree was giving out, from which his father claimed that they could make boots. So from that rubbery sap, father thought of making boots for them, shoes. Thinking ahead of the next winter, father decided to create a place safe from the elements. तो अभी जब विंटर आने वाला था तो फादर डिसाइडेड टू मेक अ मोर सेफ प्लेस फ्रॉम द एलिमेंट्स. नाउ दीज एलिमेंट्स आर ऑफ द विंटर सीजन. इसकी बर्फ़ है, तेज़ हवा है ऑफकोर्स. तो इन सारी एलिमेंट्स, इन सारी चीज़ों से बचाने के लिए उन्होंने कुछ और सोचा. देन अ स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टोरेज स्पॉट. ऑफकोर्स इन विंटर वी डोंट गेट इनफ फूड, so they had to make a storage for food to protect themselves and their belongings. Then Fritz came up with the idea of a cave. So Fritz gave an idea of a cave. Not finding one, they thought of carving out their own cave in the rock abutting their camping site. Abutting having common boundary. तो जहाँ पे उनका कैंपिंग साइट था वहीं पे एक रॉक था, एक कॉमन बाउंड्री वाला रॉक था जो उनके कैंप के साथ ही था. तो दे थॉट ऑफ कार्विंग आउट देयर ओन केव. ऑन द स्मूथ फेस ऑफ द रॉक फादर मार्क्ड द डायमेंशंस फॉर एन ओपनिंग एंड दे पिक्ड अवे एट द हार्ड सर्फेसिस विद देयर एक्सिस. तो उनके पास एक्सिस थे, चिसल्स थे, हैमर्स थे और शॉवल्स थे. ये सब अलग अलग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है फॉर ब्रेकिंग द रॉक्स. दे यूज्ड इट एंड दे स्टार्टेड मेकिंग द केव. Over the next several days, the family cut windows in the rocks to allow for cross currents of air. Cross current यानी कि जो ventilation है, हवा अंदर बाहर आने जाने के लिए, and for sunlight to enter the cave. Then when they had finished, they had 4 rooms. So when they finished their carving, they had made 4 rooms complete with a fireplace. So they had made a fireplace also. They now had a new winter home. So now in this way they made a new winter home for themselves.